All right, straight out of Google Cloud Next conference, I was so pumped up about Firebase Studio. So I thought of giving a quick test to what exactly Firebase Studio is capable of. Again, this video is not about full capabilities. It's only like me spending probably less than 30 minutes of what Firebase Studio can do. So I started off with a simple idea. My prompt in this example is an app that creates recipes from photos. Just by this prompt, it gave me this response. They call it app blueprint. It gave the idea a name called recipe snap and features and style guidelines. And as you can see, there is a prototype for this app which has code in TypeScript, CSS, and other JavaScript files. And it also asked me to provide Gemini API key. And that's it. It just generated the app, and I'm going to show you the app. So this is the app. So I'm going to so this is basically an app which uploads a photograph and then identifies the ingredients of the photograph and also generates the recipe. So I'm going to go ahead and upload a simple picture here. In this case, I'm uploading this photograph, and we'll click on this identify ingredients button and we'll see what happens. So it right away identified that this is basmati rice, chicken, and fried onions, and mint leaves, yogurt, and also spices involved in it. And now I wanted to generate the recipe from this photograph. Obviously, this is a photograph of biryani, so anyone would have tasted it. So in this case, it identified this as chicken biryani, identified ingredients as earlier, and also gave us a very brief instructions. And you can also see the confidence score for this particular recipe. That's pretty cool just to think about uploading an image, identifying what's in the picture, and giving a general description of what the instructions would be. That's all for this video. Again, this is a quick demonstration of what Firebase Studio app is capable of doing. And again, I'm going to take next steps into deploying an application like this, not a recipe snap, but a full-fledged business application, and deploy to a level it's actually can be productionalized and see how it works. That's all for this video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in another video. Bye-bye.